Hey everybody, it's Chris from Steeda, and we have a brand new product to show you all. It's the Steeda 2018 Plus 3-inch stainless steel catback exhaust system. We've been working hard on developing this system. It's finally out, and we're ready to show you some sound clips. We have it installed in this bullet here. It's a non-active system. 3-inch stainless steel, going to increase that power. Stay tuned in the future. We will be doing an installation video and dyno test on this exhaust system, but for now, here are some sound clips.